Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting something you know about this Logitech Bluetooth keyboard that you can easily toggle between each other, and you can easily connect this device with the three mobiles at a time, and you just switch and just start using on that device. Now, how you can easily install or set up this device with your mobile phone. So watch the video till the end, and before proceeding, just like the video and subscribe the channel. And for more details, just you have to do one thing, just check out this device is just switched on or not. Just on from over here, green light starts blinking. Now just check out that its batteries are working or not. If green light it's not blowing, now what we have to just toggle between the this button. Keep this on always on 2 or 3 for you connecting with your mobile phone. And after that you have to just press this PC button for Android, Windows and other for 3 seconds until it starts blinking. That means it's now is ready to pair. Now what do you have to do? Watch the video till the end and learn how to do so. Tap keep pressing this for almost about 3 seconds, and I'm going to doing so 1 2 3, and when it starts blinking, that means it is ready to pair. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to our mobile phone. We can just go to settings over here and just go to Bluetooth. If you don't find over here, just drop down between toggles, and from there you have to just long press this Bluetooth option. Now we have just go below, and over there you will find a keyboard. If you don't find, just press it for searching, and it will start searching, and your device will be shown up over here. Now we have to just press this, and after that it will ask you about a security code. What we have to do, we have to press this option, and fastly we have to type this this code. Otherwise it will take if you take more time, it will not connect with your device. Now what we have to do, I'm going to telling you. Now I have to type this code 109048 and press enter. As you can see, now keyboard has been just paired with the device, and you can easily do input work by this. You just, as you can see, I'm just fill this detail, open this texting option, and now just I'm going to typing love. Okay, sorry. My hands are not properly over there. I'm just typing over here. Love this. Hope you understand that how you can solve this problem. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.